Hello! Today we're going to be removing a mini-split's electronic control box. Before we begin, make sure to check out our previous video on disassembling a mini-split evaporator. Link in the description. Step 1. Begin by removing the small black panel from the right side of the control box next to the green wire. Pull the tabs near the bottom of the panel if it seems to be stuck. Step 2. Unplug the two white plugs from under the panel, disabling the DC brushless motor and the stepper motor. Remove the wire completely from the control box. Step 3. Unscrew the bottom of the control box. Next, take note of the 4 colored wires in the union box. Carefully unscrew and remove all 4 wires. Step 4. Unscrew the ground wires from the interior of the unit, located on the left of the control box. Step 5. Unplug the temperature sensor wire. Step 6. Unscrew the top of the control box from the unit. Step 7. Carefully remove the electronic control box from the mini-split. In addition, the stepper motor can now be removed from the right side of the unit once the control box has been removed. And that's how you remove the electronic control box from a mini-split. Check out our next video where we explain how to remove the unit's DC brushless motor. And for all your HVAC needs, visit us right here at Perfect Aire.